The easy-to-use Sealife DC1400 brings the underwater point-and-shoot category to a new level with amazing results that anyone from novice to veteran will be proud of. The 14-megapixel DC1400 camera combines diver-friendly design with still image and high-def video capability. Depth-rated to 200 feet, the DC1400 offers 6 underwater modes accessed by large, glove-friendly piano key controls positioned alongside the LCD screen. It features a built-in 26mm wide-angle 5x optical zoom lens. For close-ups, its super macro autofocus takes it down to 1 inch. The DC1400 is available in sets such as the DC1400 Pro Duo that include the Digital Pro Flash and Photo Video Lite. The bottom line, for a simple, powerful, and versatile camera that lets you move from photo to HD video with the push of a button, the DC1400 is a serious camera system that's fun and easy to use.